Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I am gonna tell you about how you can set default browser in your Redmi smartphone. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. To set default browser, you can go to apps if it is there, and you can just go to the system apps. Then here it is, you have to press back and just write here default browser, and you can see here it is default apps for this, like Google Assistant or something browser. You can, if you have downloaded many browser like Opera, Chrome, Google, so you can choose it from here. I have downloaded one only, Chrome, so it is showing one here. From here you can choose change your default browser. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.